Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, which will be sold by Richmond Auctions on October 24th and 25th, 2025. And there's a bunch of really interesting vehicles which will be sold. One of them is this 1957 Thunderbird E-Code. Now, E-Code, of course, refers to the engine option under that beautiful hood, which is the 312 with two four-barrel carburetors, 270 horsepower, and it's backed up by an automatic transmission. This car is loaded, but more importantly, this is one of two cars that are selling in this auction. It's got the S-code Rosewood special order paint, and the other one in this auction is also an E-code car with Rosewood paint. So that's two one-of-a-kind cars, two cars, I should say, that will be selling here at this auction. This is one of those vehicles right here. I love the idea of the chrome wheels on this one here, nice upgrade. This one's fully restored by Amos Minter, which it comes with a full catalog with pictures showing the Amos Minter restoration process. Of course, Amos Minter, the go-to for baby bird restorations, and he's the guy to have these done. This was done there. Beautiful example of the breed. This one is a two-top car. It has the hard top here, which you can remove, and of course the soft top comes up if you want to go out if it's a bit rainy, colder. And again, 57 was the third and final year for the baby bird, 55, 6, and 7. But also new for 57 were the longer quarter panels with tail fins. And again, sales of Thunderbirds were strong, but really were dwarfed by 1958 when the four-seater came along and kind of made these not obsolete, but these are more sporty by far and desirable for that matter. But again, this is a one of two built car with the S-code Rosewood paint. And again, it's an E-code 312 dual quad car. Let's pop that hood and take a look at that mighty engine. And also new for 57 on all Fords was the hood opening from the back to the front versus from the front to the back. More safety here, just sleeker design. And let's pop this door over here, and just nicely restored. Once again, Amos Minter worked his magic inside and out on this car. Just a beautiful piece. And let's open that hood, and there it is. The mighty dual quad 312, 270 horsepower, about as potent as things got in a Thunderbird, short of the F-code supercharged motor, which is not what this is, but that's okay. This is the E-code, great engine. It's fully equipped, has power steering, power brakes, inside power windows, power seats, a lot of unusual options on this car. Also, this has a 240 kilometer per hour speedometer. So we have it was built for export delivery, not sure where, but it's an unusual speedometer, 240 kilometers per hour, or per hour. And great example of another one of Amos Minter's home run restorations. And again, there are two cars that are E-codes with the Rosewood paint in this very auction. Two of the cars. Go ahead and buy both of them. Have a good day.